Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salma Al-Sasadia with NPM 2341204 from Accounting Class 23A. Course Portfolio Theory and Investment Analysis. Here I will explain the material about primary market and secondary market. Definition of capital market. The capital market is a place where parties in need of funds, companies or governments, meet with parties that have funds, investors. Various long-term financial instruments such as stock, bonds, and mutual funds are traded in the market. In Indonesia, securities trading activities are facilitated by the Indonesian Stock Exchange as the securities trading organizing institution. There are two main types of market in the capital market, namely the primary market and the secondary market. Definition of primary market. The primary market is where securities, stock, or bonds are first offered and sold to investors by the companies that issue them. In this market, companies obtain funds directly from investors to finance business activities, exploration, or investment. Securities offering in the primary market are usually conducted through an initial public offering or IPO. In this process, companies work with securities companies as underwriters to sell shares to the public before the shares are traded on the exchange. Characteristic of primary market. 1. Shares are sold identically by the company to investor. 2. The process from the sale are received directly by the issuing company. 3. The shares price is determined prior to the offering. 4. Investor purchase shares through a selling agent or securities firm. Primary market objective. The primary market has several important objectives, namely 1. Raising funds from the public, 2. Helping companies expand their business, 3. Increasing company capital, 4. Providing investors with the opportunity to own shares from the outside. Definition of secondary market. The secondary market is a market where securities previously issued in the primary market are traded. In this market, transactions are conducted between investors, so the issuing company no longer receives any process from this transaction. Trading in the secondary market takes place through stock exchange, such as the Indonesian Stock Exchange, where investors can freely buy and sell shares in accordance with market mechanism. Characteristic of secondary market. 1. The traded securities have been previously issued. 2. Transactions occur between investors. 3. Stock price changes according to supply and demand. 4. Transactions are conducted through securities companies. Difference between primary market and secondary market. The difference between primary and secondary market lies in the sales process and who receive the funds. The primary market is the where a company sells securities for the first time to investor, so the funds are received immediately. The secondary market is where securities are traded between investors after they are traded on exchange like the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Price in the secondary market are determined by supply and demand. That's all I can say about the material primary market and secondary market. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.